Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga igala. For this video, I will be sharing my lemon mini loaf. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 cup Bravo butter, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 pieces whole eggs, 1 piece of lemon for our juice and zest, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup Conaprol milk, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vinegar, that's white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. Then later, for our glaze, we need 1 cup sugar cane, powdered sugar, and then some lemon juice. In your mixer, using paddle attachment, cream first your butter and your sugar. If you don't have stand-up mixer, you can use wooden spoon. You cream this one around 3 to 5 minutes. While creaming, you can now add your vanilla extract. You can also add here your iodized salt. After 5 minutes, slowly add your eggs. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl. Then now, slowly add your vegetable oil. Stop mixing. Tapos, let's mix our dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, baking soda. Set aside. Then mix in your Conaprol milk, your white vinegar, and then let's add our lemon juice and our lemon zest. Your extra lemon zest, mix it together with your powdered milk. After getting the zest, let's get the lemon juice. Now we have our dry and our liquid ingredients. Let's mix in the dry first, alternately with your liquid ingredients. First, then scrape again the bowl. Make sure to add your dry ingredients first, tapos liquid, and then last with your dry ingredients. Do not overmix. Turn off na your mixer, then make sure to make sure to scrape the bottom of your bowl. Set aside nyo muna si mixture. Then, let's mix our glaze for later. You have your confectioner sugar, lemon zest, and our lemon juice. Don't forget to mix this one before baking para later, once baked, ma-apply nyo agad yung glaze sa taas. Set aside. Then get your baking pan. This is my mini loaf pan. If you want muffins, go ahead. You can use the muffin pan or the bigger loaf pan. Then bake this one around 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Kailangan yung oven nyo is preheated already. There you go! Our mini lemon loaves are done. Let's brush with the glaze. Kailangan i-brush mo na siya while it's warm. Our mini lemon loaf cake. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!